Hello everyone, welcome, thanks for joining me today. In this video, I want to show you guys how to replace your old built-in microwave and install with the new. Alright, here we go.
The easiest way is to match the current size of the trim or go bigger. If you chose a smaller size, then you might have gaps or screw holes showing. After selecting the trim, in most cases the microwave will fit as well, but please double check the measurements of the microwave to make sure it fits in the cabinet. For this demo, I will be installing a smaller microwave. To make this installation as easy as possible, I chose the same trim width, but the height is slightly bigger. Now I will line up my mounting bracket in the center. It is very important to pre-drill all your screw holes one size smaller than a screw. This is what happens if you don't pre-drill your holes. The cabinet surface will bulge. Now I will insert the screw so the mounting bracket does not shift. The microwave is in, and now we want to temporarily fit the last piece of the puzzle. We want to make sure there are no gaps showing past the trim. If by any chance there's a gap showing above the trim, let's say less than half an inch, we must then install a half an inch platform board underneath the mounting bracket, which then raises the entire unit of the microwave and the trim itself by half an inch. This will then cover the gap.